Welcome to Lake County Euros. My name is Ricky, and today we're going to be working on a 718 Cayman. Alrighty, so today we're going to be doing a full track exhaust, which is going to give you more airflow, which is going to give you more horsepower. And that's essentially what we want for these sports cars, and it is going to make it run a lot better. Beautiful company, beautiful parts. Let's go ahead and do it.
The Track Edition exhaust gains 9.5 horsepower at 7,200 RPMs and an extra 6.5 foot-pounds of torque right at the crank. It also shaves 10.5 pounds off the overall weight, and it doesn't interfere with the factory emissions equipment. Now, after tuning and install, it's going to produce just over 400 horsepower. Let's hear how the 718 sounds with the factory exhaust. And now, after the install,